Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I do my knotless braids. There's so many different ways people are doing them, but after a lot of trial and error, I found this way works best for me. So the first thing I do is just go in with some shine and jam and just make sure that I have a clean and neat part. Now I'm doing some larger knotless braids, so I'm just going to make sure that I have the thickness that I like as far as the part goes. And then once I create the clean and neat part, then I'm going to go and part that into equal sections for the amount of braids I'm doing in that row. So in that row I'm going to be doing 3 braids, so I'll just part it into 3 equal sections, and then I'll start the process of the braids. So when I start my first braid, I just go in and make sure I put that in 3 equal sections. I'll go around once and then I'll add my first piece of hair. And then once I get that first piece of hair in, then I'll go in right on top of that second piece that I add in, and I'll add my second piece of hair. Now, depending on how big your braids are, whether you're doing small, medium, or large, that depends on how many pieces of hair you'll add in. So I normally add 3 to 4 pieces of hair into my knotless braids to get the thickness that I want. And as I'm braiding it down, I'll continue to add the shine and jam so that my daughter's hair blends into the braid very nicely. And in this next braid that I do, I'm going to do it a little slower, just so you guys can see how I do the 3 equal sections to start the braid. So I'll do those sections and then I'll just repeat the process that I did in the first braid in this braid. So you wrap around once and then you add your first piece of hair, and then once you put that second piece in, then you will add your second piece of hair. So you just continue this process throughout until obviously you complete the hairstyle. And so I have tried so many different ways to do my knotless braids. The last time I did my own personal head, when I was braiding it down, I did 2 to 3 times I braided it down, and then I added my first piece of hair. And what I noticed was that it was starting to pull on my hair the older the braids got. And so when I did them this last time, I did it this way, and I feel like this way is better for your hair. You're not getting any pulling or anything. And I love these braids because they're just so much better than the knotted braids where they're pulling on your edges and stuff. I just love the way that these braids come out. But I hope you guys learned something from this video and you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see as I continue on this journey. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.